to the Queen's Court. Today I am coming to you with a DIY. Okay, we will be using these here crystals here I got from these bling wrap crystals I got from Dollar General. We may be using these I got from Dollar General as well. I think that was from, and these were from Dollar Value. And we'll be using this here, my mixed up glitter, Martinelli sparkling cider, and wine glass from the Dollar Tree. And I'll be using my all-purpose clear glue. Okay, so I hope everyone is doing well. I'm thankful and I'm grateful and I am blessed to be alive. So I think we're going to start out with these here, just to get my order of how I want to do this. Take a strip off. And what I'm thinking is that I want to go down here. Okay, and we got our design. Okay, now what I'm going to do is put one of these crowns in the middle. This is, you can use this for a birthday gift, Mother's Day, put it on your bar card, whatever. Straight. Okay, now what we're going to do is do the glitter now. Okay, so I'm thinking okay, I was thinking about something, but I don't know. I think I'm just going to go ahead and stick with this here. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put our glue down. And my brush here. And we're just going to start brushing that glue on. Don't want it to go past the thing here. Nice long strokes. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start pouring our glitter. This glitter is so pretty. I mixed some pretty colors together. Mix the blues and the fuchsias, and it's like a chunky glitter. Pat your glitter. That's what I do. I pat my glitter. Okay. Pat it down gently. Okay. And keep going to where we ended it. Okay. Pat it gently. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous, right? Okay. So we're going to go ahead on and just go ahead on around and finish this. And I'll come back. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and glitter this thing. I don't want my video to cut off on me, y'all. I've been having trouble with storage. So if you're wondering why I'm, you know, not showing every step, but the glue, you know how we put that on. Okay. Pat. Pat. Oh my God, that is absolutely gorgeous. And of course, we're going to go on here and do double. Oh my God, that's beautiful. But look. Okay, we're going to definitely double this up. This is absolutely gorgeous already. And you want to leave a space where if they want to drink out of it, they can, you know, right here. So, you know, but mainly this is for decoration, you know, a very nice gift. Somebody can just put on their bar card, or put on in their room, or, you know, just display it anywhere they like in their office, you know. And it'll just be a nice gift for someone. Mother's Day gift, birthday gift, just because gift, you know. Okay, so we're going to go ahead on and go down in here, going down the leg. Okay. Down the feet. It's a beautiful day here. Very nice. Not really hot. It's not too hot like it was for the last few days. Whew, it's been hot. The lady that was supposed to come paint the porch, she couldn't even come because it was so hot, you know. Nobody catching no stroke on our watch. Or getting heated, you know. You can tell where you miss spots because it rolls right off. I mean, it rolls right off. That's good though. That's a good thing. All right. This is really beautiful. Ew, my hand stuck. This is really, really beautiful. I really love this. This is turning out really nice. Okay, now we're going to get started on the bottom. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started on that. I want to paint all of this, so I don't really want any of that showing. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and glitter this here part so far. The only thing we want is just maybe this little part down here showing, you know, with the name of the drink. These little sparkling drinks are so good. Martinelli, I love their apple juice. I buy it for my pastor. He absolutely loves it. He loves it. Label is a little off, so I think that the label is a little off, so yeah, I will fix that. Okay. so far. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're working on the bottom part of this because we really wanted to coat this twice. It's up to you, but it'll give you a better look to me, in my opinion. So what I'm doing now is just going in different spots and just, you know, like double coating. Okay, and this here can be so beautiful for a wedding. Just like I said, I didn't mention the wedding, but it can be, oh my God, can you imagine like these being on each setting of the table, or maybe just for the bridal party? It all depends on how good you know what your funds look like. What your funds look like, you know. But yeah, this to me is absolutely gorgeous. I am in love with this piece. I really am. So in love with it. So in love with it. So you're gonna let this dry. Okay. And yeah, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I think it came out really nice. So beautiful. I think we're done with the bottle as well. Ooh, honey, but you won't have glitter for days, okay? Just so you know, you will have glitter for days. But yeah, in the bottle. But this here would make such a beautiful gift for someone, like I said, or you know, if you want to do like a bottle of wine or something like that. There, you know, I don't drink, so I really don't promote that. So yeah, but this here came out so beautiful. I'm trying to clean it up a little bit, you know, the glass and stuff, but this is so beautiful. So beautiful. Thank you so much for everybody that came in and watched what I did today. Thank you so much. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. I love to have you. Also, click that notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you so much to all my faithful returning family members. I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you to all my new family members that's coming in. I love y'all so much. Thank you for all your love and support. I got glitter all over the place, y'all. I'm going to be glittered up. I'm going to be glittered up. But anyway, remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless y'all and have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.